Well, look at this gorgeous box. Our summer Margot Elena box is here and it's still in stock, you guys. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel today. We are going to be doing a full unboxing of the summer 2025 Margot Elena box. And it is still in stock as of the timing of me making this video. This box tends to sell out really fast. Of all the subscription boxes that I show, this one consistently every season just sells out so quickly. So if you like this subscription, I have a link down below. I also have a $10 off coupon code, so it will save you $10 off of your first order. But if you order in summer, this is the exact box that you will receive. The only catch to all of that is that it can't sell out. So if you like this one today, I'm gonna go through all of the products and you're like, yeah, that box is great, it's the one I want. Don't wait, I would get it as fast as you can. I also like that they will send you new items to you first. That way you get to try it out before it ever goes live on their website. So it's another fun little perk. So this is what it looks like when you open up your box. Look at the packaging. Isn't it just, so good. Sun-soaked beauty. We are capturing a golden afternoon, it states. So this is the theme for our summer box. Inside of this little card, it will tell you about all of the products that you're going to be receiving. They do guarantee that in every box, it will have at least $200 worth of products inside of it. For our summer box, it comes out to $222. Bon voyage! This is what it looks like, you guys. So I just took off the tissue paper, and then down below, this is what it looks like for my box. Isn't it beautiful? Just the color combo, I'm kind of getting like an orange creamsicle vibe. Like, I love it. So this is our first official item inside of our summer box. I do think it's fitting, you know, get ready for some travel. It seems like everybody's traveling right now too. Everybody I'm talking to either has travel plans and they're coming up or they currently are traveling. So this is definitely a good item to receive. So beautiful print. I love the flowers. And then they do have a gold zipper up at the top, and inside it's this gorgeous pink. Isn't that pretty? I love the color combo that they went with. We've also got a card in here. So there was a little pouch over here and it says, don't forget, and then it has all of your essentials listed. So this one's called the Lovely Essentials Cosmetic Bag. Is this in here? Yeah, it is in here. $30. It's a brand new item, so you can buy it. So if you go onto their website, you could buy the bag by itself, but it'll retail for $30. There's also a hand cream inside of our box. This one is from the Infinite She line, and this will feature shea and mango butters inside. So it will nourish your hands and give you deep hydration. So this is for really dry hands specifically. But the scent will be orange blossom and cardamom. So it's 2.3 ounces. Look at the packaging. It feels like summer, right? I mean, I just love that you can feel it. It's not just like you see this. I don't know. There's something about it that makes me feel it, and I love that. So it's a really cute packaging, really well done. This one is 2.3 ounces, so it is a full-size product. One thing that's cool about these tubes, as I just put it away, I just realized I wanted to tell you this, but they're actually those metal tubes that you can roll down and get all of the product out of. So I love that you don't have to waste anything and it's not like hard to get out. Now, I will tell you, Margot Elena does a great job with their scents, that they're very feminine, but I don't feel like they're too strong. They have this really great aura about them. This one definitely giving you those orange blossoms. So it is a floral scent, but you do get a little bit of citrus, but definitely summer. $22 is what this one retails for if you were going to purchase it on their website. So it's actually not that bad of a price, I don't think. What is this little box? Tokyo Milk. This is a bonbon lip balm and it's honey apricot. Look at how cute. Again, I always get oogly-eyed over their packaging because it's so adorable. So this is scent number 74. Tokyo Milk will actually label all of their scents with a number. That way, if there's a scent you really like, then you can just go online and search by that number and see all the different products that are made with that same scent combo. But beautiful packaging here. It looks like a crest on top. So this is a lip balm. It is 0.2 ounces. It is a full-size product. And then, like I said, the scent is honey apricot. So of course, gonna smell this. It's a glass jar that we have here. Oh, it smells nice. Again, it smells like apricots. It smells really fruity, but it's very soft, very complimentary. I do love how much they fill this up too. Look at that, like clear to the top. This is a limited edition, it says. So $12, you could buy this online. I'm not quite sure what is limited edition about it. Maybe it's just new packaging or something. I'm not quite sure. But if you want to get this, it is a limited edition. I think we have a candle. Yes, so there is a candle from Lalia. Oh, this smells like roses. I can already smell it, you guys. This is their Breathe candle, and it's peony. Oh, it was peony. It wasn't roses. Here, I thought I knew my flowers. Peony and white lilies. Well, okay. Oh, never mind. I guess I thought, you know, I'm just gonna say I was wrong. Let's just leave it at that. I was kind of thrown off by the flowers, but then after closer inspection, they do look like peonies. So it was totally me. It's definitely not roses. So this is our tin candle that we have here. The size on this one is 4 ounces. It is a hand-poured soy wax candle. And then they do feature a cotton wick inside. So this is a single wick. Their candles, they smell so good. They're very strong, very aromatic. So actually the throw on them is much further than what you would think. And it's exclusive to the summer box, you guys. It doesn't look like you can buy this one online. So $16 for it, and you'll only get it in this box. There's also a facial serum inside of our summer box. This one is pomegranate, but then there's also orange and lavender in here. Now this is something that's new. I'm really familiar with this box sending lotions and hand creams and body scrubs and body oils and fragrances. But to get into a serum, like a facial skincare product, that is a little bit different. So it says, meet your new best friend. This facial serum will hydrate your skin and brighten up dull and tired skin to give you a radiant complexion. It's deep penetrating, and it says it's for dry skin that needs a little extra love. So this is what the bottle will look like. Does anyone else feel like it's a little blah for packaging? I'm sorry, but when you go from this, right? And it's just absolutely gorgeous. And then I pull this out and I'm like, it's kind of simple. I wish they would have included a few flowers. It's just a little note there is all. Oh, there's not really much of a scent to it, is there? No, I don't really smell anything. So it is an oil. Definitely feels like an oil, like the consistency is there. Very subtle. The scent that I'm getting is very light. So there's really not a lot to it. But yeah, I mean, it's really not noticeable at all, but it's definitely an oil feeling. You can kind of, you know how oils will feel. It's definitely got that same texture to it. The next item will be our fragrance for our summer box. This one is Wild Winds. So it's scent number 80 by Tokyo Milk, and it features sweetgrass, sage, florals, and citron inside of it. So this is what it looks like. And then here's the cool part, you guys. If you turn these around, it's supposed to give it like an apothecary vibe. And they have glass jars, and in every jar of perfume, they will put a different photo behind it. And then it changes with each number. So what's cool is you could get a whole bunch of these glass jars and set them up, and it looks like you've collected all of these different like insects, and they have flowers and plants, and it's just super cool. I love the vibe. And then they even have it pressed into the glass here on the side. Just so well done. Just everything about it. I just love it, you guys. So full-size product that we have here. That's nice. I was a little unsure about sweet grass. Every time I'm like, I just don't know if I'm gonna like a grassy scent. But actually, this smells like summer, but it's really good. And I wasn't expecting it. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I really do. $50 if you were gonna purchase this one. It is available on the website though. Also, oh, I love this scent combo. So excited. This is their body wash, and it's grapefruit and blood orange. So like I said, they have several different popular scents, and they will make a lot of products with those same scents. That way you could have a full collection and smell like grapefruit or whatever it is all day long. But this is my favorite combination, the grapefruit and the blood orange. There is something about this that smells so juicy and sweet, and it smells like summer. Oh, yes. And it doesn't smell synthetic. It doesn't smell like a fake orange or a fake grapefruit. It smells like the real deal, like you cut into it and then you smell it. Trust me on this one. If there's one to try the grapefruit and orange. I really love this one. So body wash is what we have here. The size is 10 ounces on this bottle. So this is what it will look like here. I will definitely be using this one. If you were going to purchase it, it comes in at $22 and it is also exclusive to the summer box. So if you want to try this scent in a body wash, you have to get the summer box. Oh, we got a mask even? Oh, and look at how cute this is again. Oh my gosh. Mother Nature knows best. This is a clay mask. Looks like it's one mask. So it opens up like this. And then inside you're gonna have your one clay mask. But cute with the bee on there. If you are going to get the mask, this one comes in at $12 and it is a brand new item that they've just created. They've also included a mini hand cream in here from Lalia. For a second I thought this was a lip balm. I'm like, oh, that's odd that they would include 2 lip balms in here. But actually, it is a mini shea butter hand cream. It's called This Moment, which features water lily and sun blossoms. So we have 0.33 ounces. Now, this is strange to me because usually we get all full-size products inside of this box. So I don't know how I feel about this right now because we don't usually get minis. So I'm kind of confused as to why they sent this. We already had a hand cream as well. So this one, oh, it's free. Okay, I'm totally fine with this. Thank you. That was great, Margot. I love it. That sounds sincere. I love getting free things, so that's great. Thank you. This one is a bonus freebie that they're including in every summer box. It's $9.50. That makes so much more sense. I really was like, why are we getting this in a full-size box? Like, that's not great. But you know what? If it's going to be a bonus item, I will take it. And then the final part of our box will be a trio of greeting cards. This is one of the things that Margot Elena does with their boxes. They always send you greeting cards. So if you decide to order this subscription, just know you're always going to get 3 cards each quarter. You're also always going to get a fragrance in your box as well. Now, the cards will vary and say different things, just like the fragrance will have a different scent, but you are guaranteed that product. So this first one says Rock On. And they will be blank inside, but they also come with the envelopes as well. The next one says thank you on it, and she's holding up a big, wait, is this a rose or a peony? That might be a peony. Now that I look at the petals, let's go with that. I'm not making the same mistake twice. And then last up, it says it's your party. I love this with the giraffe. So if you guys want to try the Margot Elena summer box, I do have the link down below. And then also I have a $10 off discount code. I will say the entire box is great for summer, from having like the travel item, but then also getting these summer scents with the orange, the grapefruit. I'm excited for this serum. That's probably what I'm most excited for. Don't get me wrong, the body wash and my favorite scent is a great thing to get, but I haven't tried the serum, so I'm curious and I really want to use it. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!